Today we will start chemical calculations. So let us start with a numerical problem, and here is our question. Calculate the weight of sodium hydroxide required to exactly neutralize 50 ml of a solution of sulfuric acid containing 9 grams per liter. Okay, so this is our question, and in this question a neutralization reaction is mentioned. Neutralization between what? Neutralization between sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid, that means H2SO4. Okay, so at first we have to write the balanced chemical equation between these two. So H2SO4 plus NaOH. We all know that the products of neutralization reaction are always salt and water. So Na2SO4 plus water are producing. Now we have to balance it. Let's put 2 here. So now the reaction is balanced. Now we have to calculate the molar masses of the reactants. So what is the molar mass of sulfuric acid? The molar mass of sulfuric acid is 98. So how can we get that 98? 98 can be got by 2 into 1 for hydrogen, 32 for sulfur, 4 into 16 for oxygen. In the similar way, we have taken 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, that's why 2 into within bracket 23 for sodium, 16 for oxygen and 1 for hydrogen. Okay, clear? So 98 for sulfuric acid and 2 into 40, that means a total of 80 grams we are getting over here. So we are asked that the weight of sodium hydroxide we have to determine, which is required to exactly neutralize 50 ml of a solution of sulfuric acid containing 9 grams per liter. That means per liter 9 grams of sulfuric acid are there. So 1 liter means 1000 milliliter, isn't it? So 1000 milliliter contains 1000 milliliter of the solution contains 9 gram H2SO4 or sulfuric acid. So 50 ml, which is mentioned in the question, so 50 ml contains how much? 9 divided by 1000 into 50 grams of H2SO4. That means how much? 0.45 gram of H2SO4. Now we have to determine, as we know that 80 grams is needed for complete neutralization of 98 grams of sulfuric acid. So for neutralizing for 0.45 grams of sulfuric acid, how much we need, that we have to determine now. So 90 gram of sulfuric acid can be neutralized by 80 grams of NaOH. So 0.45 grams of sulfuric acid can be neutralized by 80 divided by 98 into 0.45 grams. And after calculation, we are getting 0.3673 grams. So this is our answer.